welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Ministers to get additional portfolios on Monday. Cabinet nod to 5 additional posts of public prosecutors and 13 posts in HRD Corporation. No decision on mining till report on ore carrying capacity from expert institution is ready. Supreme Court clears its stand. $29,446 voters to be deleted during revision of state electoral roll. Commission to delete names of 20 gazetted officers for holding dual citizenship. Ravindra Bhavan withdraws screening of controversial play Mir Ranturam Godse Boltoy scheduled on Gandhi Jayanti. Vijay alleges Damu of being anti-Gandhi. Damu denies. And football stadium likely to be built at Kampal Parade Ground. Low capacity floodlit facility to be of Pro League standard. Now news in detail. Ministers will get additional portfolios on Monday. CM briefed media after the cabinet meet. Parrikar also opined that spotting of a single tiger does not make a case of reserving Goa's wildlife sanctuaries as tiger habitats. Parrikar informed that the state government has kept state land policy on hold as the union has passed a new land act. The cabinet has also approved 5 posts for public prosecutors and 13 posts in HRD Corporation.
So, other than dropping or adding a minister, adding I can't do. So, other than dropping a minister, it can be anything and everything. There is no problem about it. If portfolio is given the last time, you don't expect the minister to answer that. If required, I will answer. Madhain अजूनपर्यंत एकदा एका particular incidentak एक tiger spot झाला. That does not make it tiger sanctuary. काही बिला मूव जातात अजून ती फायनल स्टेजीक येवन ना पण येतली ती एक तातून भितर आसतलें की IDCच्या म्हत्वाची बिलां IDCच्या हातून एक 37A चे अमेंडमेंट आसतले इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर टॅक्सान 2 बारीक करेक्शन्स आसात अमेंडमेंट्स टू वॅट एक्ट स्मॉल वन्स बारीक 1-2-3 बारीक फायनान्शियल एक्ट येवंक शकता बारीक म्हणजे they are not something new taxes. Land acquisition policy has been kept on hold because of the new land acquisition act till the act comes into force. Probably takes care of what we are trying to do. So let me study that. In fact, it is more stringent than what we were thinking. फक्त फाटी काही जाणांक आमी जे प्रॉमिस दिला तांचे कितें तो let me study the new act. Only to that extent what is not covered under that we will cover. Otherwise, there is no point in coming out with a policy when the act itself is coming.
Supreme Court has clearly directed that decision on Goa mining matter will be pronounced only after receiving the report from an expert institution. Ministry of Environment and Forest ended their argument in Goa mining matter on Monday. Goan miners have begun their arguments now. Next hearing will be held on Thursday.
Supreme Court heard Goa mining matter on 7th day. Ministry of Environment and Forest finished its arguments on Tuesday. Later, Council of Miners started with their arguments. Vedanta and VM Sargaonkar's counsel started the arguments from miners' side. Supreme Court in a clear tone has said that decision in Goa mining will depend upon the report submitted by an expert institution on the carrying capacity of ore. Supreme Court's decision on capping of iron ore will come only after this report. Council of the remaining mining companies will argue on Thursday. Court's Dasra break will continue till 21st October. Hearing on Goa mining matter will continue on 22nd October. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Almost 30,000 names will be deleted during revision of state electoral roll of Goa. These include 2,200 government employees and 20 senior government officers. These officers hold dual citizenship and hence will be ineligible as voters. Election Commissioner Narayan Nauti briefed media on electoral roll revision for upcoming Lok Sabha poll.
Preparations for Lok Sabha poll are on. Electoral registration officers are now updating the electoral rolls. Names of new voters are being included while deleting the names of the expired voters. At present, Office of State Chief Electoral Officer has begun with this exercise. Almost 29,446 names will be deleted from the roll. 20 senior government officers' names will also be wiped out for holding dual citizenship. 2,200 government employees, including these senior officers, will not be able to vote for Lok Sabha poll.
Total population of 29,000, which is to be deleted during the present revision of electoral, because either they are. Yes, exactly. Yes.
See, the ineligible voters would be probably more than this, because you have to include 25,000 voters who have attained the age of 18. That also needs to be included. So 29,000 plus 25,000 needs to be deleted. Then only 25,000 included. That will make you the perfect roll. Recently, after this rationalization of polling station, the number of polling station has been increased by 9. And at present, our total number of polling station in the state is 1,622. In which we have in North Goa we have 955 and in South Goa we have 667.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Ravindra Bhavan's untimely scheduling of controversial Marathi play Me Nathuram Godse Boltoy on Gandhi Jayanti created a furor in Salsette. Nathuram was the man who killed Mahatma Gandhi. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai charged Ravindra Bhavan chairman Damu Naik of being anti-Gandhi, whereas Damu denied the charges, claiming that the scheduling was coincidental and not deliberate.
The show of controversial Marathi play Me Nathuram Godse Boltoy has been cancelled by Ravindra Bhavan on 2nd October, that is on Gandhi Jayanti Day. Ravindra Bhavan is the active organizer as seen in the banner. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai alleged that chairman of Ravindra Bhavan, Damu Naik, was trying to impress RSS for Lok Sabha ticket by leading such initiatives. Nathuram was the man who had assassinated Gandhiji.
म्हाका शॉक जालो की बाबा हें कितें जालें काय म्हणून गांधी जयंतीच्या दिसा गांधीक मारिल्ल्याची आयडियोलॉजी फुडें व्हरपाक हे आयडियोलॉजीचेर नाटक दाखोवप मुद्दाम गांधी जयंतीच्या दिसा हें खंयच्याय गोंयकाराक शॉक जावपाचो म्हाकाय बी तातूंत जालो आनी हाजो निशेध करपाक हांवें एनावन्स केलें की जर तें नाटक दाखयलें जाल्यार एक गांधीयन पद्दतीन आमी हाजो आमी हें ओपोज करतले जाल्यार एक व्हडली नॅशनल शेम गोंयाचेर येवपाची गोंयच्या सरकाराचेर येवपाची चड करून रवींद्र भवनाचे चॅरमॅनाचें हें इंटेन्शन वायट इंटेन्शन उघड जालें. आतां सावथ गोवा BJPची लोकसभा तिकीट मेळपा खातीर गोंयचे मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराक बायपास करून डायरेक्ट नॅशनल BJP आनी RSS लिडरशिपाक बरें दिसपा खातीर हें पिशेपण रवींद्र भवनाचे चॅरमॅनान विचार केली ही एक ताजी आयडिया आशिल्ली.
Damu Naik, chairman of Ravindra Bhavan, claimed that play was called off as opposition was trying to cash in by creating an unnecessary controversy. Damu Naik avoided commenting Vijay Sardesai's allegation that he was bypassing Parrikar and getting close to RSS hierarchy by organizing such events.
नथुराम गोडसे बोलतोय हे नाटक फाल्यां हांगा ताजें मंचन आशिल्लें खरें म्हळ्यार नाटकाचो शो आशिल्लो स्टेज करपाचो. हें रवींद्र भवनाचें नाटक न्ही. हें नाटक गारफापोना क्रिएशन्स म्हणटा ह्या संस्थेन ही संस्था नाटक करता. मी नथुराम गोडसे बोलतोय हें नाटक स्टेज करपा खातीर हें दियात. आमचे ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 म्हयन्याचे प्रोग्राम फूल आसतात कारण ह्या दिसान रवींद्र भवन सगळेच बुकींग चालूच आसा. ह्या संस्थेन ही नाटक करतना आमचे कडेन रिक्वेस्ट केली की आमकां तुमी असोसिएट जायात म्हणून. आमी म्हळ्यार आमी जशे असोसिएट म्हळ्यार इनवर्ट आमी तुमकां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिता दॅट्स ऑल. एकूण अचानक आयज सकाळच्यान कोणे तरी तातूंत पॉलिटिकल हें हाडलां कारण फाल्यां गांधी जयंती 2 तारीख आनी त्याच दिसा तें नाटक जाता आनी रवींद्र भवनाचें तातूंत नांव आयिल्लें आसा. इमिजिएटली आमी 11 वरांचेर डिसिजन घेतलो आमच्या सगळ्यांनी की नाटक विथड्रॉ करपाचें. रवींद्र भवन स्वताक ह्या कॉन्ट्रावर्सीन पडपाक सोदना. तारीख अनफॉर्च्युनेटली और तांकां ती कितें मेळ्ळें आनी ताजो जर तो एकठांय करून जर ताजें जर हें करपाक सोदतात, विशय तापोवपाक सोदतात, कोण तरी राजकारण ताजेर जर करपाक सोदता जाल्यार ताका करपाक आमी दिवचे ना म्हणून इमिजिएटली तें कॅन्सल केलें.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.